Hi guys, welcome back to the Golf Academy. I'm here today to talk to you about wedge gapping and why you need more wedges in your bag. So what I'll find is a lot of golfers will have their normal set of irons. They'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wedge, sand wedge. What a lot of people don't know is that most golf clubs have 4 degrees loft in between each club. With pitching wedge and sand wedge, it tends to be around 8 degrees. This means there's going to be more variation in the distance they travel. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you the distance I hit my pitching wedge. Then I'm going to show you the distance I hit my sand wedge and show you how big a gap there is and how vital it is to start filling those gaps. So first and foremost, I'm going to have a go with the pitching wedge. Okay, so my pitching wedge I usually carry around the 140 mark. I need to make sure that I find something which I can hit all the appropriate distances. So here's the wedge first. Okay, so that one there is carried 136 yards. So that's my standard pitching wedge. Okay. Now I'm going to use my 58-degree wedge, which is what I use out of the sand of my sort of pitching shots. And we're going to see how far it goes on a full swing. So as you can see, a much higher flight. Yeah. Okay, so that's carried 96 yards. So 96 yards and 136 yards, it's a 40-yard gap. And obviously when we get into our scoring zone, which is inside that 150-yard mark, we need to make sure that we can hit the ball appropriate distances. So what do we do? Well, I've got my pitching wedge, which I reckon is about 46 degrees, something like that, and then I've got my 58. Huge gap. Okay, so I've actually got 2 wedges in between there, because I want to be able to hit full shots or 3/4 attacking shots and make sure I've got something that goes in between the gap. So I've then got my 50. So my 50 I want to go obviously shorter than my pitching wedge and further than my 58, and then make sure there's still not too big a gap. Okay, so I'm going to go now with my 50-degree wedge. So I'm hoping again to try and get between 10 yards difference between my pitching wedge and my 50. Okay, so that's my 50-degree wedge. What was the carry? Okay, so that carried 125. So suddenly I've actually got quite a small gap. So my pitching wedge at 136, my 50 at 125. It's only 11 yards difference. Suddenly I'm starting to get it closer. So it's still quite a big gap between my 50 and my 58. So my 58 is obviously about 20 yards shorter. Actually, 30 yards shorter than that. So how can I fill that gap? And that's my 54-degree wedge. So I've now got a pitching wedge, a 50, a 54 and a 58. So let's have a look and see how far my 54 goes. Okay, so that's my 54-degree wedge. Let's have a look at the carry. 111. So now, thinking about the numbers, I've got a 136 club, a 125 club, a 111 club and a 96 club. Those 4 clubs suddenly bridge those gaps, and 10 yards is a perfect amount really between each club, and it means you can obviously get it much closer to the flag. So it's really important to have a look in your bag, see how far your wedges go. I want to know if I've got 111 yards to go, it's going to be a full aggressive shot with this, or 125 yards is a full aggressive shot with another club. It's really important to make sure you gap the bottom of your bag better. That's the scoring zone, that's going to improve your scores, and really you can learn from that and really get your scores down. Anyway, I hope that was really useful. Have a think how far your wedges go and see if you've got your bag gapped properly. I'll see you again.